Okay, now for the next video, now we're actually talking about something like cone. Also, we will calculating the volume, and second part will about the surface area of the cone. Okay, so the cone actually, which means it's pyramid but with the circle base. Okay, this is what we call cone. So first, 7.2, we're actually talking about something like volume first, and then we'll talk about the surface area first, second. Okay, actually, if you see the volume part, it's just like the pyramid is the same, but with the 1/3 times base area times height, and then the base area part will be the circle area, which is pi r square. Okay, some of you will forget about this formula, so let's have a reminder here. Okay, but in this case, we can see for the example 7.6, we are doing the same thing by calculating the volume of this cone. So we first finding out the base area, pi r square. We know that pi and r should be 10 square. Okay, so 1/3 times pi r square times the height 12, and then you will get the answer for 400 pi cm cube. So you can do the quick practice. Actually, you can see the volume of cone is just like what we have did before for the pyramid. Okay, so you can try quick practice 7.6, and for example 7.7, we do something. If they give us some data, for example the diameter, for example the slide height. The slide height means if we got a cone, then this part, which is 24, and then how can we find the height? Okay, and then actually we're using almost the same thing for calculating the height. We can using the Pythagoras theorem. We are always using this technique. So I'm now showing you this for OAV, O, A, and V. For this triangle, we take it out. You can see this is a right angle for this VOA, the angles. Okay, so 24 for VA, and then because the whole diameter is 16, so OA is just a radius, so we divide by 2, so this should be the length for 8 for OA. Okay, now if we want to find the height, then actually we can have a OV square plus x square is equals to 24 square, which is actually a Pythagoras theorem. Alright, okay, so I will show you a more clear version. Okay, so in this case we also do the same thing by having a triangle VOA, and then we can use Pythagoras theorem. So the length for OV is actually the 24 square minus x square, and have a square root, and then you will see this is the answer for 22.6. Okay, now you will see that we have a clone here. We have a height of 22, okay, which is actually more accurate if 512 with a square root. Okay, the diameter is 16, so the radius is equal to 8. So if we want to find the volume, it's 1/3 times pi r, r is 8 square, and then times height, square root of 512. Okay, by having this formula, we can get the volume of 1520, which is corrected to the three significant figures. Okay. So if we know how to calculate the pyramid, and then actually we are applying almost the same formula to the cone, but with the circle base, with a pi r square. Okay, you can try the quick practice 7.7 by yourself. Okay, so 7.8, we just want to teach 3 examples today. So for the solid metal cylinder of a base radius 5 cm, and then the height of 12 cm is melted, and we cast into a solid right circular cone of height 4 cm. Okay, now we have to do some application questions. So you can see first, I got a cylinder with the base of radius 5 cm and height of 12 cm. So first, I melted this into form another cone. We don't know the radius. We need to find out the R, but I know the height should be 4. Okay, so first of all, what is the volume of the cone? The base area times height is the volume of the cone. So base area, the volume of the cylinder, is the base area pi r square times the height. Okay, so it should be 25 times 12, 600. Okay, and then the volume of cone, because we don't know the R, so it should be pi r square 1 over 3 times pi r square times 4. So you will see, we just make it an equal sign here, because this volume is just equals to the cone's volume. So by using this formula, you will see that r square equals to 225, r equals to 15. And then you will get the answer for this. Okay, so actually I will tell you the next video, which is about the surface area, is actually more difficult.